Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Power BI service, view reports and dashboards step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Power BI service website. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your work or school email address into the provided field. Click on the Next button. If prompted, enter your password in the appropriate field. Click the Sign In button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Power BI home screen. On the left side, you'll see a navigation pane. Click on My Workspace to view your reports and dashboards. To access a specific report, click on the Reports tab located in the navigation pane. Scroll through the list to find the report you want to open. Click on the report name to view it in full screen. To access dashboards, return to the navigation pane and click on Dashboards. Browse through the available dashboards and click on the one you'd like. You can interact with the visuals displayed on the dashboard. To return to the home screen, click the Power BI logo in the top left corner. If you need to log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select the Sign Out option from the drop-down menu. You have successfully logged in and navigated through the Power BI service for reports and dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.